Here's 5 easy mistakes to avoid while building mobile apps as indie developer. Hello, my name is Paweł and this is the Appearance project where I share my thoughts and journey to 10k MRR with mobile apps. I've been building mobile apps for more than a year right now. Last year I've made around $12k from mobile apps and this year continues. So I decided to record this video to document some of my mistakes and those which I made, and I think tons of indie and app developers make, which I think you can avoid to save mostly time and your sanity. Mistake number 1 is betting everything on one app. I believe that we are in a very unique era where engineers who can program can use vibe coding really good, and guys like Linus Torvalds, creator of Linux, actually endorsed vibe coding lately, and I think we shouldn't focus on just one app idea. We need to focus on shipping as small MVP as possible and ship it quickly and go to the next steps, thinking about the distribution channels, user acquisition, because this is now where the bread is made in mobile apps. In user acquisition, you are uniquely predisposed to release many products this year, especially 2026. Mistake number 2 is over-engineering, over-validation. This is a very common practice. I've been very guilty of this when I was building my Fitmate app back in 2023. Been working on it for more than a year. I've been changing UI libraries for it unnecessarily. As typical developer, you need to abandon this typical developer mindset in order to succeed, because you want to validate your app idea as soon as possible and see what you can do, how many users you can get. If this idea can make at least a few dollars initially, then you'll know what else you could focus on. Mistake number 3 is waiting too long to launch. 2026 is supposed to be a year of launching, and you should launch as much, as quick as possible, because spending tons of time perfecting every idea, MVP now it has to be more polished and it has to deliver at least one feature that users are willing to pay for, and I feel that this is the core of the app, needs to be there, but you cannot spend time on perfecting minor details, adding dark mode and all those super extra animations and effects. This is good to add in the later stage whenever you validated your idea, but let's focus on shipping fast. Mistake number 4 is ignoring the distribution channel. Build it and they come is no longer working. You need to know how to distribute your apps ideas. You need to know how to get user attention. I've been very bad at this, and with my first Fitmate app idea I didn't focus on it at all, and that was a mistake. Now I know a little bit more about App Store optimization and user acquisition and proper onboarding approach, proper user retention approach, virality of the product. You need to find your distribution channel. The TikTok distribution channel is very popular and I feel it's really good right now. Tons of people doing Instagram and TikTok. I'm doing YouTube videos right now and I'm going to do more YouTube videos around my mobile apps in February. Mistake number 5 is building from scratch all the time, and that's why I built myself a cheap React Native boilerplate, because I don't like starting from scratch all the time. You can be faster with your app idea and release them as quickly as possible whenever you have a starter. That's a really good system to follow the path of releasing multiple app ideas, and I feel 2026 is the year of releasing multiple app ideas, and you don't need to focus on one singular idea for all the time. I feel like every new founder should build one idea, two ideas. I bet you have tons of app ideas. You need to think about validating them, testing them, and shipping them as soon as possible in 2026. Whenever you find a winning app idea and industry that interests you, that's when you go all in and focus your marketing efforts on it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Cheers!